Hello and welcome to Happy Hour at the Craft Bar. Tonight I'm going to feature two cards created using Scrappy Boy stamp items. They have a set called the Echoes of Elegance and one called Legacy of the Manor. And these are very clearly takeoffs of Downton Abbey. And I loved it, loved it, loved it. So I got the stamps. I also bought pre-made die cuts that are already colored in. I made these using those stamps and the die cuts and absolutely love it. We'll start with this one. This is a birthday card for a friend who loves the series. We together enjoyed watching it and talking and gossiping. So, you're having a birthday? How very middle class. Maggie Smith, I added a little rhinestone just to bring her jewelry to life, and then hot glued in some roses to match this background paper. And then you open it up, and it is a panoramic card like that will stand up. But this first set is Bates and Anna. Uh huh. You know, it was back in the time. It was period appropriate. Period appropriate. And everyone's best character arc turnaround to be a nice guy. Well, to be a better guy. To be less of a bad guy. How about that? Just don't shoot my smoking hand. Thomas. If you know the show, you know that he was constantly outside smoking. It was like the character thing he did for 2 full seasons. And the Earl. At your age, you must ration your excitement. All right, this card I made for my mother for Mother's Day, and I had a great time. I love this. Now, the design I found, and I have it for my Cricut, but I decorated it, embellished it. This background picture is a colored in stamp. I bought the stamp to make the background scene for the couch, the famous red couch, and I took that and I colored it in, and that is actually what they're standing in front of. It's a little hard to make out, but they are behind, standing in front of that red couch. And what is a weekend? This is a true, it's said by the dowager in the show, but these are the ones who really don't know what a weekend is. They're constantly working. Mrs. Hughes and Carson. Love is in the air. So what is a weekend? Their parents of them owns. They didn't have the children, but they raised them all the same. And then I love this card because it says beautiful reveal. Boom. Voila. Love it. Start with the dowager. The business of life is the acquisition of memories. Because in the end, that's all there is. Aren't we the lucky ones to have been loved? May your days be filled with grandeur. Take life one sip at a time. We must always travel with hope. We must always travel with hope. So which is perfect, right? Mary and Matthew, they were lucky to have been loved, even if it was bittersweet in the end. May your days be filled with grandeur. I so hope so. They had a happy ending. They went off to America to live it up. Take life one sip at a time. Girl, you had some tea. We got through it, but there's another ring hidden under here. It's a little hard because it was Edith, but there it is. So she got married in the end. He gave us the happy ending she needed. Oh, and Sybil and Tom. Travel with hope, because they did travel. Nice pun. Loved it. All right, when you get to the end, so we started with Carson and Mrs. Hughes. Can't forget Mrs. Patmore. Perfect that she be with the craft bar. They didn't have a stamp for Mr. Hughes. Otherwise, I'd have had her matched up and married off too. I loved it. These were so much fun to make. It really got me thinking about my memories of the show and how many of the episodes I just loved. And these sets were really nice. So I will show now just how I was able to create these. Like I said, there's a huge stamp and it is this size. This is the full-size stamp. It covers the page. It's actually a little bit bigger because I trimmed this off. But you get the side of the whole couch, everything. It's lovely. And you color it into your heart's delight, right? So that's a full-size stamp. These are the pre-cuts. You get 2 of everyone. 2 of every major character, which is really nice. If you know the show, these are a great way to go with it. Now, we also bought the stamps because we were having a great time when we were at the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo where we ran into this company. It's so much fun. The thing I really liked, though, is there are some really catchy phrases in here that I don't want to go remembering or looking up to try to type and recreate, and they were great to stamp. And wonderful occasions to fit these in. The quotes live outside of the show. So you can do a lot of things with these quotes. You know, what is a weekend is clearly Maggie Smith, but all these others are lovely. You're absolutely smashing. Sarcasm's the lowest form of wit, and then put that with something Sarcastic. Super cute. Now you can stamp these and color them in, and we got the corresponding die cut for them. So that was an important part. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed. Check out the Scrappy Boy stuff. I bought these with my own money. We bought these with our own money. No one's paying us to give this. It's not a review. I'm just showing you what we've done with it because we really, really did like it. And I'm very impressed with their products. They've cut beautifully and just, like I said, really clever ideas. Well, have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Every Friday we put out a new happy hour to show you something fun. Again, I just can't get over how much fun it is to open and reveal all those lovely characters here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next week at a new happy hour. Thanks. Bye-bye.